Hello, Mrs. Miller here. I'm making this video for you today to show you basically how we're going to move forward with our distance learning period that we're entering right now. We don't know how long we're going to be in this period, but we're going to jump on in. I have some ideas on how to make this work. I'm excited about them. I'm trying them all out for the first time. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be showing you how to access the district website, how to access OneNote, which is one of the main tools we're going to be using. I'm thinking of it as kind of our central hub. We're going to be finding all of the kind of instructions on lessons. And then I'll also be using YouTube, and then some of the other apps that you can access on the district website as well. And I'll show you some of those that I'm hoping we'll be able to implement and use. So I'm going to switch my view over to show you what I'm looking at on my computer, and I'm going to show you exactly how to log on first through the single sign-on. I'm going to be signing in as Zoe today because she was number 1 alphabetically, so I just picked her. So I'll be using her student ID number to log into everything. And I didn't want to log in as myself because I have the teacher view and it'll look a little different. So I wanted to make sure you saw what it would look like when you log in for your child. So here we go. I'm going to switch on over to this view so you can see. So here I already have the CVESD website up. It's cvesd.org, as you can see right there. Once you get to the website, you're going to go ahead and click on Students. Then you're going to click on Office 365. This is how you are going to be able to access most of these applications down here. Now I'm going to switch to a different account because I'm not logging in as myself. And when you log in as your child, you will log in with their student ID number. Now your child's student ID number should be located on their report card that you got from me. But if not, let me know and I will message you their ID number if you do not have it. But basically all you need to do is put in their ID number. So I'm going to put in Zoe's. And you do @live.cvesd.org. I know, so simple for kindergartners, right? And then you click sign in, put in the email, then you're going to put in the password. The password is going to be lowercase first initial and last initial. So for Zoe, that would mean ZB. And then you're going to put in the ID number again, and then an equal sign. Don't forget the equal sign at the end. And then you're going to sign on in. I'm not going to save her password. And then you'll have a screen that looks like this. Now, before you're going to be able to access the OneNote notebooks that I've shared with your student, you're going to need to go check email. There you go. You have an email from me. Miller, Alexandra, that's me. You're going to click on it and you're going to open up your notebook. And I haven't added anything to it yet. I've only kind of set it up, but I haven't actually put anything into it, any content. So you'll click here. This will be gone. I'm going to delete the Welcome to Class Notebook section. So that section will be gone, and you're going to see a collaboration space, a content library, and then your student's name right here. The collaboration space and the content library are accessible by everybody. The tabs with your student's name only accessible by your child. So the collaboration space is an area where all students can add stuff. I'm really not sure how I'm going to use that space yet, but that's there. I have some ideas for maybe uploading cool stuff that we can share with each other. The content library is where I'll have any printable handouts that I would want you to print out and use, or maybe any like extra resources will be on there. I might say check the content library under this tab for this resource to practice this skill on this day, or something like that. This will be where you can access that kind of stuff. Again, it's empty right now because I haven't added anything yet, but that's what I'm going to start working on. And then you will have your students tab. So you'll go ahead and click on that. Under the tab, you see a bunch of other tabs labeled by subject. What you'll do every day, what I'm envisioning is you'll come in here and you'll log on, and let's say you want to start with math. You'll log on to math. This is all I've added so far is Monday, April 6th, but you can edit this. So you can add stuff in here if you want, but what you would find when you log in here is instructions from me. So for example, for math, you might find number 1, practice counting to 100. Number 2, practice counting to 100 by 10s and by 5s. watch this video, you know, like we had videos that we'd watch together in class. And so I can post links to that and stuff. And then also I'll be posting videos of myself giving some math lessons and showing you how to do some of our phonics routines and whatever else stuff I have ideas for. But every day you'll find different stuff posted on here for whatever lesson I would have planned to teach the kiddos anyway. This will be our hub. Now there's some apps that I'm hoping we're also going to be able to use from the CVESD website. So to access those, the easiest way to do it is to just go back to CVESD. And since I'm already logged in as Zoe, I should be able to easily access some of these things as a student. So one of the apps that I'm really hoping will be useful is the Go Math app. This is an app I actually haven't used in class ever because there's just no need, but there's a lot of things that you can do on here and I can assign things. So for instance, the next chapter, I can assign that next chapter to students. I haven't done that yet, but you can click on things to do. So I can put assignments in here for kids. I can put there's lots of, you can access lots of different stuff on here. There's videos, there's homework. I mean, I haven't even gone through all of this, but if you want to go through here, there's lots of resources for math. I think we could even do assessments online. I don't have any intention of doing that, but this is an app we'll probably be using a lot for math. So again, you can access that right through CVESD. I'm going to go right back there again, right back to students. Again, Smarty Ants. Should really be doing Smarty Ants. This is a big one. I'm not going to log in as Zoe. I'm not going to do the whole shebang, but this is what you see when you log on. And so it's that easy. She's logged in. She's ready to go. She could start playing right now. So really getting on Smarty Ants every day is going to be a great supplement to that phonics learning and helping move along that reading development. All right, there you have it. Everything you need to know for now. Logging into Office 365, accessing OneNote, what you're going to find once you log into OneNote, kind of your daily routine of logging on there, checking each of the subjects. Within each bar for the subjects, remember, it'll lead you to everywhere you need to go to get any of the materials or resources you need for each day, for each subject, and then making sure that you can get back to CVESD to access the Go Math app or Smarty Ants. Okay? That's it for now. I'm going to be working on getting things uploaded and getting things ready for next week. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.